All right, here's how to get more leads from your contractor website and stop losing jobs. All right, the problem is most contractor websites have the same problem. They get traffic, but they don't turn enough of that traffic into real jobs. And it usually comes down to two things. Number one, they don't give visitors a reason to engage. Number two, they don't follow up fast enough when somebody does reach out. In this video, I'll show you a simple fix that's going to solve both. The leaky bucket. If you look at most contractor websites, here's what you see. You're going to see a phone number, maybe a contact form, and a call now button. That's it. So what happens? People visit your site, they're not ready to call yet, and they leave. Or worse, they fill out a form, you don't respond fast enough, and they hire the next guy. That's where most jobs are lost. This is fix number one. This is one of my many lead generation tools for contractors on my website. And this is the first fix. Instead of just asking people to call, you give them something useful right away. This is the HVAC cost calculator. It's a free instant estimate and energy savings lead generation tool. You place this directly on your website. Instead of guessing, a visitor can actually interact with your site. So what I can do is add this to, if you're a contractor, no matter what trade you're in, I can add this to your website in 24 to 48 hours. This is problem number one. No matter what trade, I can do it. So this is just an example of one of the most popular trades, which is HVAC. And if you have this on your site, instead of guessing, a visitor can actually interact with your site. They're going to enter a few details, get a rough estimate, and now they're way more likely to take the next step because they're not just browsing anymore. They're actually engaged. And most importantly, you're attracting people who are actually serious about getting work done. Why this works, and I'm going to show you this in a second briefly, this actual tool here. It does a few big things. First off, it filters out tire kickers. It gives real buyers a reason to stay on your site longer, and it makes your website feel more helpful than every other contractor site out there. Most sites just ask for a call. This actually helps the customer first, and that's why it converts better. And this is it right here. You're going to enter a few details, and it's going to give you a pricing range. So if somebody comes to your site, in this particular demo right here, this is for the HVAC, they're actually interested more than likely in getting a job done. They're going to be on your site, and this can get your phone ringing, get more people on your site, can increase engagement, and it does a bunch of things. So you're getting warm leads to your website. Look how cool this is. This is a very in-depth tool, easy to use, and it's better than anything you're going to see out there on the internet. And if you like this, and like I said, I could do any trade on instantsalesfunnels.com. Just go on up here on the top menu bar. You can click through all my tools. There's a ton of them, and I could do it for any specific trade that you're in. All right, now fix number two. This is the follow-up. So I can have any of these installed on your contractor website literally in 24 to 48 hours. And the link to do this after you watch this video is going to be directly below in the video description box. Contact details and all that good stuff will be directly below. All right, fix number two is the follow-up. And this is it right here. This is a very cool tool. This is a contractor follow-up system, quote follow-up and missed call, plus review tool. It's a 3-in-1. You're going to place this on your site, and this is going to help you as the contractor close more of your leads. So what this is, now here's the second problem most contractors don't even think about. Even when someone becomes a lead, they don't get a fast response. And in 2026, that's a deal breaker. If you don't respond quickly, they're going to move on. You're going to lose that customer. So along with the lead gen calculator, I install a follow-up system. That way, when a lead comes in, you can respond faster, stay in front of them, and close more jobs because, as you know, speed wins. The offer, so instead of just having a basic website, you now have a tool that pulls in better leads and a system that helps you follow up faster. That combination is what turns visitors into real customers. What I do is install both of these on your existing contractor website. No new site needed, no monthly fees, just a one-time setup. And you're going to pick the actual lead gen tool or the calculator for your trade, and I'll handle the rest. If you want me to set this up for you, like I said, you're going to check out the link below this video. It'll show you exactly what's included and how it works. And that's it. The links are going to be directly below. This is the tool right here. You're going to get full 10-day follow-up sequence that actually gets homeowners to respond. Trade-specific scripts for 40-plus different contractor types. 9 objection killers, price, timing, spouse, quotes, ghosting, budget, do-it-yourself, bad experience, insurance, and more. Missed call rescue texts that recover lost leads. There's a review request system that gets you more 5-star reviews. 3 to 4 script variations per message so you never sound robotic. 14 script setting toggles to customize every message. Character count for SMS optimization. Copy and paste ready. No login. Works on any phone. And this is free to use, but I can get this on your site for you. So you're going to get a quote follow-up, missed call rescue, review booster. You enter the job details here. The script settings. How you want your scripts. You click generate scripts, and you're off to the races. It's gonna give you professional sounding scripts that you can easily click a copy button and use ASAP so you know what to say to close more jobs faster. It's going to save you a lot of time. And it gives you all the objection killers and all that good stuff. So if you're a contractor, great tool to close more jobs faster. You're going to want this in your back pocket. This is for missed calls, quote follow-ups, and to get more reviews. So come on over, check this out. I'll leave a link to this specific tool directly below in the video description box as well, so you can come on over, check this out. But if you want both these installed on your contractor website to get more leads, close more sales, links are going to be directly below. If you have any questions about this service, like I said, I can install any, it doesn't matter what niche you're in, I can build you an awesome lead gen tool for your website and have this contractor follow-up system installed as well. So it's going to be great for your customers and great for you as a contractor to close more jobs. So links are directly below. If you got any questions, feel free to ask a question directly below. All the contact deals and all that will be directly below as well. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in my next one. Have a great day. Bye-bye.